Hey traders, my name is Anna. This is Amin. Together we are coaches here at Leveraged and we are going to trade live today. We already have taken the trades, so please, just a disclosure, do not copy our trades. Never take the trades that we are taking unless it is your analysis. So, but other than that, please always use your own analysis, your own risk management. So, we are selling gold. We are both in the gold trade. Amin is a little bit late.
I'm doing great.
You're doing great.
Soon
Yeah,
to
so
be
we're both
good.
in. So the thing is, sorry about that, guys. The thing is, I was looking either the gold is going to break this resistance level, which is actually also very good key level on 4 hours, or we go down. So I like this big bearish engulfing candle. So now let's see if we will stay below this level. And I'm not greedy today. I mean, can you see my profit? I'm not greedy at all. I'm just like targeting the
What
previous low in
happens?
here. I'm not greedy. Let me see how
TP
greedy you
taken,
are.
guys. Easy. No more. I'm
Okay.
out.
Good. Nice. Okay, so we have a first win.
Hello,
That's
PJ.
good.
Hello, Carola. Hello,
Brent,
Martin.
please. Good morning. Hello. Yes, we're going to do some oil. We will try and analyze oil as well. You guys, we need to wait for my profit to be hit because Amin already hit
Have
his. We need to see until minus hit. Come
a
on.
good
We
day,
need a
everyone.
full we need a full meltdown for gold, like full complete meltdown. That would be great.
So, yeah, I wish you the best, Anna.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, we also spoke about oil. Let's speak on oil very
Yeah.
quickly, but look at this support, okay?
Like this report,
This
guys.
is a really nice support area on oil. This is 15 minutes. And I think this is where we can see that oil is going to be pushed up. At least this is a really, really nice area for oil. So, and what do we say? Oil goes up. What goes down?
Gold.
So yeah, let's see if it's also going to be enough for me to witness this going down. However, I mean, do you see also how we are moving bullish, right? We are moving bullish. We're making the price action of higher lows, right? So yeah, I want to close my trade. I want to close my trade. Um,
You
so
closing?
yeah. No, I mean I want to, but I think as long as we're staying below this one and we're not changing direction, then I'm good, right? But if this is not
No
taken,
need to
right,
close.
and if the price comes to here, obviously my profit is going to be taken. But like if it
You're doing
rejects
good.
this and not, it doesn't close below, then we're still bullish and most likely we are going to break, right? So just need to wait and see.
Few
I need
pips.
a bit more.
Few thousand pips and done.
2000% done. No, it's actually it's not only like 20, so it's fine.
They should be
It's
good. We
yeah,
just
it's
need
gonna be good.
a
So
small break.
a small break would be nice. So let's talk about Brent. So I normally
Let's
don't
go.
trade Brent. Maybe Amin can do analysis on
Yep.
Brent, but
I
obviously
follow
Brent
both
and
of you
crude
guys.
they're very similar.
Yeah.
So let's see.
Let
This
me
is
add it.
crude oil. Let's see what is the Brent oil
So
looking like.
this is burnt eyes. Here. Let me just put a cleaner charts. There we
1
go.
hour. Mm-hmm.
So it's a complete zone. We are on a big box. A big box. Okay.
Mm.
Since the start of March,
By
we
the way,
are
my profit
ranging
was
inside of
hit.
it.
My
Oh,
profit was
bravo.
hit. Bravo.
Celebration. Mm.
Celebration time. Come on. So
Okay,
both
thank you everyone.
coaches
It was a
are
nice
hitting
stream.
profit. Profits only.
Yeah, yeah, since yesterday I'm doing nice. I'm winning. So let's
Okay.
keep up like
Okay.
this. I don't like
You're
losing
on a
days,
winning streak.
but
Okay.
I don't know how much it's gonna stay like that. Sometimes I just get 3 losing trade in a row.
Hmm.
Sometimes I get 2 winning days in a row. So
Yeah.
truly, guys, market is truly uncertain. You can be sure of yourself
Can't be
on the
sure on
support.
anything.
You're just gonna be slapped.
Yeah.
So we are in a big box, guys. As you can see, we're just making ping pongs inside of it, nice and
Hmm.
clean. So we did a nice bounce on this top of it. made a double top, boom, we broke. We had a very clean divergence, guys, on the RSI. You see, we're making same level on the price action, and the RSI was clearly lower. We made a higher low. So this it's early sign that we may gonna revert. The confirmation was the break of this previous low. We broke it with this strong red candle. So it was the confirmation that we're shifting to the downside, and it didn't miss, guys. We're just dipping. So for Brent oil, the next good intermediate level will be there exactly. Okay, this is it. So either we reach that and we may have a bounce, or maybe you're gonna keep lower. But first, it's this strong support. This is a strong level that I may be waiting for it. But it depends, guys, of how the price action will act right now, because it's a good small area there that we had some rejections on it. So I won't be surprised if we react to this small level, but it's not that strong compared to this one. So this is why for now, in the long run, I'm still bearish for Brent. You have to understand, guys, the movement on WTA and Brent are on the same direction, but it's more powerful and extensive on Brent. When you say all is up, in fact, we have only the Brent oil who are gonna almost make more percentage than WTA. So this is it for me on the Brent, okay, for the swing assets. And for day trade analysis, guys, we are on a strong support. I may be tempted to take a buy, but I need a good price action. Right now, on 5 minutes time frame, guys, this is a clear downtrend. I'm not that confident to take a buy yet, okay? But I'm more looking for a sell. So for me, bearish in all time frames, guys. This is it for
Bearish in all time frames. All right.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Well, I want to quickly look at the gold. What's happening here
Let's
is
go. I forgot gold.
we are kind of bullish, right? We're keeping it bullish momentum here, and we're not willing to break
Oh,
this in here. So it's really interesting area, and we need to see some break in here to say that okay, we indeed are going down, right? So we need to see the break in here, and if not, then we are slowly moving bullish. So maybe something like this. Then we are bullish, pulling back, and then going. So I guess we will see also once the market opens in 22 minutes. We'll be able to see what's going to happen. But for now, it's just looking like it is printing the higher lows, right? So going to be interesting. Will I buy now? Definitely not. Will I buy once it pushes up? I will. For sure I will. And for oil, I am bullish until at least this is crude oil. This is not Brent. I think we will see the bullish momentum. I think the price potentially could come like to this zone like this, right? And if it doesn't, right? So if it doesn't start to break like these highs in here, then obviously then we're turning bearish, right? And then like Amin said, you can definitely go bearish, which by the way is what we want, because who wants to pay €2 for a diesel? Nobody. Nobody. Mm-mm. So yeah. And also by the way, from yesterday we did had Forex trading session yesterday, and we were looking at Euro USD, Pound USD.
that's great.
I closed my trades because I was just like not willing to sit through them. And look, it did turn bullish. In the end, it did turn bullish. I closed my trade in here. I wouldn't have survived because my stop loss was here. I would have been taken out, and then my profit would have been hit. But I was targeting these lows in here, right? So, but then see after here, after this candle, we definitely could have entered, and then price moved lower. For sure it did. And now we're we're again into price action is kind of weird for forex. Like I think like these days it's just a
It's
little
flat.
weird. It's I mean not really. It's not really flat. If I look at 1 hour, okay, so look, we did had some momentum there. Okay, we pushed up, we pulled, and we pushed. So it's like it is okay, I guess. So it's just we are battling like this level here. Okay, this resistance level, huge wick resistance again, double top, and now we are just fighting. I think this is that indecision moment where the price is gonna push. That's where we're gonna go. So if we go bullish, then most likely we're going to break this resistance and we're going to go higher. If we don't, then there is a potential, obviously, that we can start to go lower. However, also saying that, like, you can clearly see that we are on the bullish trend here, right? So we are making higher lows and the price is on the bullish momentum. This is very bullish momentum. So if you want to sell, you are just selling a pullback because there's still indecision where the price is going to go. So yeah, and for gold, okay, looks like we are turning a bit more bearish. So if we break, the next potential for me to actually enter the trade would be once we break this level, this support level in here, I would be selling. I mean, does that make sense?
Yeah, I want to sell so bad, guys.
Like now?
Yep.
Well, show me your analysis. Like tell me why do you want to sell so bad now? Like what is the reason for you sell for your selling?
So we are on a key resistance there on 30 minutes time frame. It's an old resistance. If we
Mhm.
zoom out, okay,
Okay.
there had multiple rejections on it,
Mhm.
strong ones. So and we trying to right now reject it many times with strong price action. Okay, this is red
Mhm.
engulfing candle. This is a revert pin
Mhm.
bar there, long wick.
Yeah.
So as you can see, it's trying but not succeeding, and it's giving me good signs of a reversal. And on the 5 minutes time frame, this was a nice place to already take the first sell. I
Mhm.
didn't take it, but we had a very nice divergence on the RSI, making higher highs on the price action. We broke the
Mhm.
previous low, and this was a nice place to sell. But as you can see, since we have another level just below, it came and bounced up.
Mhm.
And almost touch the previous stop loss, and now we're dropping again, and we are breaking the previous low. So
Mhm.
guys, just don't. So the
Just
issue is it will be a very good sell if I didn't have this kind of resistance support, I mean just below, because as you can see it's a blocker for the price action. So the market is in between two levels, a strong
mhm.
support and resistance. It's stuck in between, guys, as you can see, and it's fighting there its life, either go up or down. Now I want to go up, now I want to go down. So
Yeah.
the best is to stay
Yeah.
out of the fight. I'm out,
Yeah.
guys. I want to sell, but it's not
Mhm.
that clean
I know what you
because of
mean.
the smaller.
Yeah. I know what you mean. I think it also did I saw you yesterday. You said you sold yesterday as well, gold?
Yeah, it was there. Let me
Mhm.
show you. It was so I decided to close my trade on OUSD yesterday early because
Yeah.
it wasn't going on my way.
That was a good call. That was a good call, by the way.
And yeah, I saw it and I was like, nah, I'm not gonna suffer more than it
Mhm.
should. So yesterday we had some trades.
Mhm.
Okay, so we had this one that I took it on the afternoon after the loss. So we had a very
Mhm.
nice head and shoulder structure. Okay, and we broke the neckline of it and broke the 50 MA
Yeah.
on this candle, guys. It was very clean break. So I just sold low, stop loss above, and it was a nice win. So head and shoulder structure on the key levels when you have a clean break of the neckline can be very strong setup. And then on Discord later we had this structure compress. So we've been waiting for it, as you know, getting teased by gold,
Mhm.
suffering. And we're gonna go up, down, break, and finally you had the break. So it was at
Mm-hmm.
the end of the stream. So I took the buy, stop loss was below. Then it was
That was
taken.
nice.
So I showed guys that the trade we took on the stream on Discord. But we needed to wait
For a long time. I know.
to wait
But
for
this is what
almost
traders
one
should do,
hour.
right? We should wait. We
Pain.
should sit on our hands and wait.
But the wait was worth it, guys. So
Yeah.
truly, guys, trading is waiting.
Mm-hmm.
Have to
Mm-hmm.
wait for the right setup. This is the best
Yeah.
way to trade. Uh, instead of trying to take anything you see,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
if you do that, you better get ready to get big losing streak because it's part of probabilities. You can get also big winning streaks, but since you're trading a lot, you will get this kind of losing and in the rows and and winning too. So right now I'm not touching gold, guys. Not on 5 minutes time frame, but I can try to. Yeah, it's too late. Too late to
Mm-hmm.
buy.
Too late to buy for sure. And I think we are, well, at least in my charts, we are like in this range. Okay. So and this is like if you sell at the top, it's okay. If you buy at the bottom, that's also all right. But like when you're in the middle, it's the
Yeah, it's the
probabilities there is
worst.
really 50-50. So it's like what is it that you
Toss
want
a,
to do?
toss a coin, guys.
Toss a coin, right? Like heads to buy. No, no, no. So, I mean, technically, okay, like when I see this was broken, but now we're pulling back and we're very close to the market open. So, and this is,
Oh,
I saw
let's stay
someone
safe.
else
Let's
also
stay safe.
ask yesterday, is that okay to trade so close to the market open? And I think it's all right as
It
long as you
depends.
know your
It
data.
depends of
As-
yeah your system
Exactly,
exactly.
depends on how you trade and depends on your strategy. So I think it's
Yep.
absolutely fine. Um, but for now, would I take this trade? Would I sell in here? Just because it
No,
nah,
not no.
nah. We're still
Uh,
bullish, okay? We're still I think where I would love to sell is either to try and
yeah, I
even
would
then,
love to sell there. Same.
okay, even then, I mean, for me, I would start to get a bit cautious if the price pushes up again and then sell from it because I think if we start to push up, most likely we're going to fully take this level and move bullish. So, honestly, I don't think I will sell again if the price comes to here. What I would prefer is actually for the price to come lower, right? So, do this. We start to move bearish, we break this level, we come for a retest, and then we sell. That's what I would like to see. And I'd rather sell in here than I sell in here because if we are pushing
Yeah, I
up now,
agree. There is a risk to break up
then yes, then there is more possibility, right?
because
More
yeah, we're in a
likely.
bullish.
Yeah, we
It's
exactly. Look at
tr-
this. This is
trading
this is
against
all
the
bullish.
trend, guys. It's risky, guys.
Yeah, and what is it that you say? Trend is your friend. Yeah,
Yeah, trend is
yeah.
your friend. So I
Mm-hmm.
would love to have the trend with me when I trade to take a trade. It's more
Yeah.
reassuring. Yeah, you have more weight and probabilities on
For
your
sure.
setup.
It's yeah, for sure. 100%, 100%. So I think in this situation for gold, if you want to trade it, you just have to wait. And you know what I would do is just set the alert in here, in this zone, set alert in this zone, and then you know what's happening. Because obviously, yes, you can also scalp in the middle of the range. You can definitely do so,
Not
but
the best.
it's just, is it worth it? Do you really want a gray
We
hair?
tried, guys. It doesn't work
It,
well. You saw it.
yeah. And to be well, to be fair, also if you switch through the higher time frames, then actually selling now also makes sense on the higher time frame, right? But that's based on the higher time frame
Yeah,
analysis.
become a day
Uh,
trade, guys.
but if you want, yeah, day trade exactly. So your stop would be higher and all this. But for 1 minute scalps, I just say sit on your hands and do nothing unless you see the price tap into your levels. So that's what I think.
Come on. So we are in the middle, guys. This is the worst place to try to force something. Just wait.
Mm.
Wait. Zen. Usa. Chill. Take a juice. Take an apple.
Take juice, yeah. Okay. Um.
So for now, we're still bullish. Okay, guys. Yeah, it's trying to make bounce, making lower highs, as you can see. So price action is still bullish unless we break, as Anna showed you guys. So let's check Bitcoin.
Let's check Bitcoin. Okay,
So
let's
we're on a
check.
good price action, but it's willing to drop. It seems it wants to go make a
Don't
pullback.
say that. Don't say that. We're
This is
finally
what I
making
see.
it.
This is
Come
daily time
on.
frame. This is no joke. So I don't know. I don't know. I'm expecting the price to drop a little bit before a pullback. Okay,
Yeah.
nice pullback. It will be nice to have a nice pullback there to keep pushing. But for now, I'm waiting for. Let's check Nasdaq. Nasdaq, the all-time performer, all-time high performer. So let's see. And here we go. We are making a new all-time high today too with Nasdaq.
Mm-hmm.
Very good, very nice. Appreciate the performance from Nasdaq. Beautiful.
Yeah. I think also, by the way, for those who are interested, Stellian, I think yesterday or day before yesterday, he was doing a workshop on X, I think it was, and he was
Yep.
talking about seasonality. I think it was really, really interesting. Listen, like it's really interesting to listen to. So if you have time, go to our X and watch that workshop that Stellian did. And by the way, he's our chief portfolio analyst, and he has so much information on like fundamentals on the market. So just a really, really good listen there. So I really enjoyed that, by the way. So just saying, yeah.
I agree. Take good knowledge from him, guys, instead of trying to guess and check with the news by yourself.
Mm-hmm.
Use a professional like him to understand what is happening on the market in the long run,
Yeah,
etc.
yeah.
It's better from you than reading and guessing with the tweeters.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And on the technical chart, guys, we are fully bullish. I'm not selling anything. This is
Not
risky.
selling for sure. Well, this is what some traders say, like sell in May and forget, but actually May as a data point of view, if you look through the years, then May is really bullish month.
Yep.
So I don't know if it's a good advice to sell. And it's
It
like, how
depends,
do you
guys.
know that this is the top,
If you
right? So how can you say that
you
this is the
can't
top?
know, guys. You truly can't. No
You
one
can't.
can know. It's
Mm,
the top. It's
yeah.
not fake news.
Yeah.
So WTA is still flat for now, trying to fight on this level. So
Hmm.
maybe it's a good place to buy, but I don't know. I don't know. It's risky. It's risky. I'm more used to buy the top, guys.
And now when it's at the bottom, you don't want to buy it, right?
I get bad
You want
habits,
to
guys. I
sell.
get bad.
You want to sell.
Uh,
I mean,
by the way,
what would
this
you guys
doesn't matter.
do for those who are watching now? You guys, would you sell oil or would you buy oil? If you would need to choose, like now, like what do you do with oil now? You buying or you selling?
In reality,
I'm
I will be
buying.
buying. Me, I will be
I'm
buying.
buying.
I'm buying,
I'm
guys.
buying. Yeah.
Buying. This is a nice spot for day trade. Buy.
Mm-hmm.
Expecting
Mm-hmm.
the price to keep going higher, and my take
Okay.
profit
Well,
won't be too far away, guys.
okay. Let me let
So,
me do this.
she's buying, guys.
I'm going to take a trade, right? Please do not copy me. I'm going to take a trade, but like a smallest amount of risk, okay? Small amount. So
$1,
I'm just
guys.
gonna buy here. So basically my idea would be like to buy after this bullish candle because this is like a double bottom in here. So where would I put my stop? My stop would be below the previous low here. Okay. So let's make it $150. Okay. And I would target just the previous high in here, something like that. So this is my setup, okay? Very small risk, very, very, very small risk on my account. And yeah, just because of the double bottom, we love to see oil going to 200, right? No. No. I'm kidding. So, but yeah, I think this is all right place to buy. And the thing is, now if it does start to break and go bearish, then obviously we can change our bias and we can go into sellers because there's still potential for the price. We can see the previous low was in here, which is like 82. Okay. So there's definitely also potential for the price to even push more lower if it doesn't pick up the bullishness now. And also, I think what could happen here is once we see the price action print, okay, once we start to see that we are turning indeed bullish, then maybe this is here where we can see some resistance because of what has happened here before. Okay, so if we cannot break this resistance, then we can then go bearish, right? And then possibly break even the support. So until now, I think there is definitely more potential for the price to go bullish. So yeah, and we're
Oh, you
buying.
bought. You bought.
I
It's
did,
a
I
day
did, but
trade.
like
It's a day
a
trade.
very small risk, like 0.15. So it's like
It's a
very,
day
very
trade,
small.
right?
It is a day trade for sure. Yeah. What are you
And they will
looking at?
impact with the opening of the New York session.
Yeah, but for oil is like I don't think it's that effective as it is for gold. So in gold we okay, I'll show you this in gold. I would probably sell this. Okay, this could be like a sell opportunity
Yep.
here. I'm
Yeah.
not
Okay.
gonna
Again.
do it because we are 4 minutes into market open, but like I am happy to see what the market is gonna do. Maybe I can even sell. However, this is exactly what I said. If we're starting to push bullish, then there is a very big potential that we're now gonna go fully bullish, retest, and then move the direction, okay, and go bullish. So I rather would see price to push fully down, break this support, come for a retest, and then sell. So basically, what I'm saying, guys, I'm going to sit on my hands and do nothing, right? Because
I agree. I
traders
totally agree with you. It's a dangerous zone, guys, to
traders get
trade right
paid
now.
for sitting on the hands, right?
Exactly. This is the most difficult part, guys. Huh? You want to
Mm-hmm.
trade, you want to be in, but it's not part of your system.
No.
You want more trades,
Mm-hmm.
do more homework to get more trades available.
Yep.
So you can't go in because you want.
Uh-huh.
You just can't.
No. No. So that's what it is. We just need to wait. As traders, we need to wait and sit on our hands. And this is so many times that we speak about, like at least I speak about this on coaching sessions, is that we really need to understand that when you wait, when you truly wait, and when you act on what you're saying. So when I'm saying to you that I'm going to wait, I'm going to wait and I'm going to do it, right? So unless I see the break of the structure here going bullish, then I'm buying. Unless I see this fully turning and breaking this support, then I'm selling. So, and until then, I'm doing nothing. Until then, I'm in oil, okay? I'm buying oil. So we will see what's going to happen there. But we do have a market open in just under a minute.
Two
So
seconds, guys.
1 minute left until the market open. Let me just remove this so it's not messing up with our, analysis. Let's just remove this and let's just wait and see what the price is going to do. Because technically we're bullish, right?
We are
We're
fully
bullish.
bullish. For me, I'm nicely bullish, guys.
Mm-hmm.
I'm
Mm-hmm.
expecting the break up and pull back if possible.
Mm-hmm. And if it doesn't break, then it might push back again and start to go bearish, right? So that's why it's like just wait. But I think it's
Look how crazy he's starting.
yeah, but I think selling in here, I know technically it is okay because there is this
Yep, I agree.
resistance.
It's a good
But I'm just
resistance.
like, be cautious. Be cautious. Like even selling in here, I was like, I don't know. It looks very bullish. we might go bullish. So it's yeah. I guess I don't know. Have you heard a saying that if the price is testing that level multiple times, it actually means that the price is like really, going for it,
True. Yeah, the
testing it.
more the level is tested,
Mm-hmm.
and the more probabilities increase for the break. And also, we
Mm-hmm.
need to check how is it's tested. Is
Yeah.
every test we have bigger or smaller bounce. So all
Mm-hmm.
these parameters can give a sign
Mm-hmm.
of the properties of the break of a level.
Yeah. Okay, so market is open. This is our market open candle. I would say quite quiet. I
So now
expected a bit more.
it's trying
Um,
to break. It's trying to break. This is why. Here we go. Here we
or
go.
bringing that liquidity to do this, right? Right? Or bringing the liquidity in to do this.
So
Okay?
we are up. Are you selling?
I'm not selling. No, no, no. Not touching. Not touching. And also for me to sell, I would love to see the bearish closure. Okay. So same thing in here. I only took this trade because the bearish closure in here. Okay. So for me to sell, I need to let me take this off because it's so ugly. Right. So we wait. We
You
know.
see, guys, crazy. Had a nice pull back at
Mhm,
the bottom to directly bounce up.
mhm, mhm.
Straight. Boom. Tic tac.
I'm just thinking like, maybe I should close my oil trade now. I don't want to keep it open
Let
because
me see. Let me see oil.
look, this is oil. I mean, this is 15-minute time frame, okay? This is 15 minutes. It's not 1 minute time frame. It's
I
15.
think you're good. You're good. It's a day trade, so it's normal for to get this kind
Yeah.
of variation.
Yeah.
But
Yeah,
yeah, I
but gold
understand.
is going up.
But what I suggest is to pick a side and don't try to do like, for example, if you're selling if you're buying gold oil, don't try to take correlated assets like gold for it unless
Mhm.
it's for a scalp, because you took a day trade on oil.
Mhm. Yeah, I did.
What you
I
can do
did.
is take scalp on gold.
Yeah, I mean, look, that like even in here, the scalp could be like a really nice short. Like I don't need to target, something like this. It can just be a
You
quick,
want?
quick trade. No, 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 no. I'm
I'm
just saying.
kidding, I'm
I'm
kidding.
just saying. I'm just saying.
So
It's
guys,
not
it's
like I'm
breaking.
doing it.
Wow, here we go.
So
As
okay.
expected.
Well, yes and no. Okay, so now I want to see.
I want to see the
Is it
price
enough
keep
for
going
you to
up and
see?
make the pullback.
Nope. This is not a break. I want to see another bullish candle. Another bullish candle.
Yep.
And then we buy. But if it doesn't, then bullish. Come on. Come on. Come on. Make us do something. Right. Let's go. Let's
Put
go.
arrows.
Where did you put your arrows?
So it's nicely bullish, guys. Huh? We are nicely going up.
It
We broke the
is.
level.
Not
Good.
yet, but in 15 seconds. Okay.
It's
Let's
strong, guys.
go.
It's a strong break. We need to close like this, and we are at the confirmation.
Mm-hmm.
So now we wait for the pullback.
Now we wait for the pullback. Now we
Unless
wait.
you want to buy the top, guys. Who want to buy the top in the chat? Tell
Uh,
me.
who wants to buy the top? Not
I'm
me.
ready to buy the top. I'm used to that. I'm
Mm-mm.
trained for that.
I don't want to do that.
This is such an ugly trade to buy.
I don't
If you
know.
buy
Like
there,
buying this
guys,
top.
you are brave.
I'm not buying, but at the same time, like this is a good trade. Now we're
I'm ready
pulling
for the
back
pullback.
really
Yep,
nicely.
this is good.
Very nicely. Okay, you guys. I'm going to be chicken legs, okay? Look at me. I'm going to
You
be
close
chicken legs because
the
gold,
oil.
yeah, I'm gonna close the oil. It's just
Yeah, it's normal.
yeah, it's better to do so, I think. And look, even if it does go bullish, like I don't wanna play with fire, okay? Let's not play with fire. Just leave it be. Let's not play with fire. So for gold now, I would say the next level where we could go to is where can we go? Where can we go? Probably this level in here. I thought it's gonna be more, but yeah, only this level in here. I don't know. We'll see.
Guys, it's time. Huh?
Yeah, it's just
It's
my
time.
idea is that now everybody's buying and gold is just gonna fully pull back because you're buying the top
So
and also the 4 hours. So I think I don't
I'm
know.
ready to buy. Get ready for this. Ta, 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 ta.
Okay, you buying? Come
Not
on.
yet. No, I need the small hammer.
See, it's not giving you that
Yeah, yeah,
fully
yeah,
going
yeah.
down.
It's yeah. So no, yes, no.
Mm,
It's teasing.
wow,
Lovely, so lovely.
this
Okay,
is
let it be.
mad. Let
It's
it be. Let it
it's
be.
so it's crazy, guys. It's crazy.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Ah, this is way better.
Nope.
Not not. Come
Yes.
on, go this side.
Gold is like indecisive. Nope.
Ah,
I don't think we're gonna get. I don't think we're gonna get a trade. Like we're not. We're not getting a trade. This is not
no,
happening.
yeah, yeah. It's
Ah.
yeah.
Oh
It
my
could
goodness. Martin says gold
bearish.
long now closed
This
4722.
is ugly candle. Not touching that. Um,
No, I'm not into buys at all. Like we need to see some bullishness now, okay?
okay.
Because if gold is now doing, if this is going to be a fake out, it's ridiculous. So that's what I said. Look, we either go for this level here, which is going to be like once we get a nice bullish candle here, we can enter. Or guys, if it starts to turn bearish, we just wait for this break in here. Like no point getting somewhere in here and sells and then cry, right? Because technically also what can happen is that we can have a deeper pullback and then go higher because gold can do that, right? Gold can do anything that gold wants.
True.
But yeah, for sure we need to see like a nicer bullish price action, I would say. But this is nice though. I mean, should we
Yeah.
dance
Yeah,
with
yeah.
gold?
I'm gonna buy. Uh, no, no, no.
Oh,
Almost
sorry.
got. Almost got the buy because of this ugly variation. So no,
Yeah.
nope. Almost, huh? You got me, gold.
Imagine he tricked you. Gold tricked you. You would be in buys and like, no, gold is going down. But if it's going up, then it's obviously good.
Yeah, true. So,
It's like you
wow,
never you never
chill.
know. Okay, 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 okay. This is
I'm
good.
gonna
This is
buy
good.
now.
I would wait. 22 more seconds. Just wait.
This is
You
so
know,
long.
I mean, this is bringing me trauma back. Remember that time where I entered the trade before it closed,
Oh,
the candle closed, and then it gave me like the worst indecision
yeah.
candle,
We
and it
don't.
was
We
looking
wait.
so good. So, yeah, this is good. I think we can enter now.
Mm-mm, not yet. Boom! I took the buy. I'm in. Wish me the best, guys.
Right. So you guys, I didn't take the trade because Amin is gonna update you later on once he's streaming. So
I'm
just
cooked.
just to say, look, no trade for me. I'm not gonna enter. But Amin is going to stream later on Discord, and then he can update you how the trade went. If he is gonna cry, or is he gonna get a slap, or
I'm
is he gonna
crying already,
win?
guys.
So we will see. I didn't take the trade. I don't know. Gold is tricky. Okay, gold has slapped me many times before, and yeah, looks like we're getting slapped here. I mean, we're getting slapped.
Goodbye, my brother. Na,
hmm
na, na,
There's
na.
still hope. There's still always hope. But anyhow, guys, just want to say thank you so much for joining in. We really
Thank you,
appreciate you,
guys.
all of you who are watching us and spending time in these live streams here. Hopefully, we can bring some value to you as well. And if you enjoy these streams, then put a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. We are so close to 3,000 subscribers. So thank you, guys. We will see you tomorrow for London. And I want to say happy Friday, but it's not Friday, it's Thursday. So happy
Okay.
Thursday. Enjoy. Use proper risk management. And Amin is going to see you in the Discord after. Right, guys, take
After
care.